So how is it going on, sir, nowadays?
Yeah, it's going on fantastic, sir. You tell me what's going on. How's the situation right now out there in about corona pandemic?
Nowadays it's normal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, normal situation. Everybody now is roaming here and there. No, there is foundation.
So
No
have you
bound.
started your job? Have you started your job or not?
Actually, now I haven't started because nowadays the company has no more work, so
Yeah.
it's not so it's not calling.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm trying to join a new place,
New
new
company.
company. Yeah, I'm looking for new company.
Yes, yes. What's your qualification? I mean, what's your skill, Mr. Jitendra?
Actually, I'm an accountant.
You are
Accountant.
accountant.
Yeah, I have completed BCom and
Yeah.
having knowledge of Tally and ERP and basic computer, just
Yes,
like
yes.
MS Office.
Yes, MS Office. And what are you looking for? So it's related to your qualification
Yeah,
job or looking for
yeah, yeah, related to my skill. I am looking for the job related to my skill.
okay, what if you will get a job not non-related to your field? What are you gonna do then?
Then I think it will be a great opportunity to learn something new.
Yeah. But what about your qualification, your degree, and you have spent lots of time to learn Tally and other software. You will gonna forget. It will be
Uh,
it would be a loss
uh,
for you.
yeah, yeah, it depends what is your dream. If is my dream to be a successful accountant, then
Hmm.
it matters.
It matters.
But it depends only earning money, then no issue.
So
if
what?
if I find in other sector more money, then
Mhm.
there is no issue.
Yeah.
Everything do the job for money, salary.
Yes. Okay. What's your opinion, sir? You need money, or you're looking for a related to your job. You wanted to be
It depend.
successful.
Yeah, it depends. If you like your job, I mean your dream,
Mm.
then you have to go. You choose your dream.
Yeah. I don't want other. I want you. I want your opinion, sir. What are you gonna do? You will follow your dream, or you
Uh,
want more money?
Actually, I'm going to tell you my reality. Actually, I wanted to be a teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah, but due to economic condition, I choose this sector to earn uh, money soon, as soon as
Hmm.
possible.
Yes. Yes.
So I don't like this job too much.
You don't like this too much. Okay. What kind of a teacher you wanted to be in your life? What teacher?
Uh, yeah, I wanted to be a English teacher, and but
Yeah. Please go ahead.
due to money, I think after 12, I had a gap in my
Mm-hmm.
schooling.
Yes. And then, sir?
Then I do many work.
Mm-hmm. So you are still
Uh,
struggling. You're still struggling.
yeah, I still struggling.
Same here, sir. Same here. I'm still struggling. But
Yeah,
you can fulfill your dream right now as well. What do we
yeah,
what
yeah, yeah. Yeah. So that I'm trying. I'm continue trying to be a good teacher in English.
Yes, yes. But
Yeah.
to try and teach someone, what do you need you need some a B.Ed degree or not what?
Uh, if I teach a 10 to 12 class student, so
Yeah.
I need a graduation degree in in English literature.
in English literature.
Yeah. But if I teach, I think 5 to 8, 1 to 8 class student, I
Hmm.
think only knowledge is sufficient.
Knowledge is sufficient.
Yeah.
So it's you have a right. You have a choice, sir. You have alternative and you have choice also. You can do it
Yeah.
right now as well. You can fulfill your dream. You have a lots of time, sir.
Yeah, I have lots of time and I am trying. And
Hmm.
actually the reason is that if we are not fully prepared, so we should not cheat the student.
Yes. Yeah, I'm agree. I'm agree. Yes, I'm agree, sir.
Yeah. So first, I am trying to myself
Mhm.
prepare well.
Yeah.
Then I will teach with the strong. That is called what is called.
Yeah, that's really fantastic, sir. The way your mentality is perfect. But you should, well, what do you think? What do you think about the definition of success? Are you see yourself as a successful person or not?
Success means that कि, whatever you are doing and you are happy doing
Yeah.
that, that means you are success. Even whatever that work, but doing you are heartily happy,
Yeah.
that is the success.
It's mean that you are not successful and not happy person right now.
Actually, I have not completed my dream, so how can I
Yeah.
be happy?
Yes. 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 That's really good, sir. That's really fantastic. That's really fantastic. I really enjoying talking to you right now, sir.
You know what, sir? Actually, I am a Hindi medium student.
Yes.
I study at my village, and I think I passed the 10th and 12th 2006.
Hmm.
And I study at a village school. So there was no much that time. There was no important English, and there was no good student.
Yeah.
I mean teacher.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, and that time there was no great demand of spoken English and
Yes.
communication
Yes.
skills.
Yes. Yes.
But nowadays, so it is so important.
Mhm.
So gradually, I started bit by bit learning
Yeah.
little bit grammar
Yeah.
and speaking in front of mirror.
Yes. Yes.
I try to speak myself like mad.
Yeah.
I
No. No.
talk to
No.
myself.
No. No. It's
I
not
talk.
kind of a mad, sir. This is the way of learning. This is the way of different person. It suits to different people. It depends. It depends how
Uh,
you
ac-
acquire
uh,
the knowledge.
Actually, around us there is no native speaker, and
Yeah.
so that we don't get so much uh, chance to speak English, and
Yes. Yes.
mostly we have to speak Hindi, so we don't get fluency soon.
Yes. You are right. You are.
And if I search on YouTube, many people only suggest and advise you have
Mm.
to do this type, you have to do this type, but nobody talk to any subscriber because
Yeah.
you are first. I am so proud and impressed by you. You are first YouTuber who talks to your subscriber and advice. That is the great things, and I salute you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Well, I'm trying my best to
Ac-
giving
ac-
motivate people and giving them advice as far as I can do for them.
Actually, yeah, a beginner, what you need, that is talking is must. If
Yeah.
a beginner doesn't get chance to speak, they can never have fluency.
Sir, while learning, we need some motivation.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
We need motivation. You can look, whatever you do, you need motivation.
yeah. Right, sir. Correct,
Motivation and
sir.
motion, and I'm providing motivation only.
Yes, sir. Thank
Yes.
you so much, sir.
Yeah, well, I don't see myself as a teacher, and I really don't see myself as that I have a lots of knowledge about English. I have a small kind of small portion of a knowledge about English, so I'm providing them.
Yes, sir. So that you are different from other. Your thought
Yes.
is different from other, and
Yes.
you are unique.
Ah, yes, sir. Thank you for praising me, sir. Thank you very much. And I wanted to tell you that uh, don't be loser. Fulfill your dream. Okay,
Yes,
don't be
sir.
a
Yes,
loser.
sir.
You can do it. I'm sure that you can do it. Follow
Thank
your
you, sir.
dream. Always follow your dream. Meanwhile, like we need money. I know, I understand that everybody need money. But while working, follow your dream. That's called a real man. That's called a real challenge in a life. That while
Okay.
working, while working, we are pursuing our dream. It's called a real challenge, sir. And we have to
Okay.
pass out. We have to pass out.
Thank you,